All right, everybody, in this video, we're gonna go over the complete kit that you need in order to detox. We're gonna talk everything detoxification, cleansing, healing, how to really get that mucus out, how to really dissolve all of that mucoid plaque that's in your body. We're really gonna get to the bottom of how to start feeling healthier today. So join me, I'm gonna show you my routine. I'm gonna just go into all the products that I use on a daily basis in order to live that detox lifestyle, so come on. All right, I just got out of the hot bath, really got my sweat on. You know, we wanna talk about the 4 detox pathways, okay? Number 1 is your breath. You need a daily meditation practice, conscious breathing. You know, do some Wim Hof breathing, start learning a meditation technique that really resonates with you, because our lungs are the most powerful way to cleanse our body and really get the toxins out, okay? Number 2 is our skin, right? Really need to sweat every single day, all right? If you haven't had an iridology reading from me yet, I really invite you to send me a picture of your iris, all right? That's how we can get to the bottom of what is going on inside your body. The eyes are a window to the soul. So step 1 is taking that iridology photo so you can really diagnose yourself, see what's going on inside your temple, okay? Now let's really think about how we can break down detoxification. You know, you don't need to go on like some 30-day cleanse, you don't need to go raw vegan or anything like that. What you need to do is incorporate these protocols every single day, all right? So number 1 is we need astringent fruits. Okay, this is lemons, it's winter time. These astringent fruits are available to us. This is gonna be the best alkaline fruit to help you break down that mucoid plaque. So I do daily tonics and herbs, all right? You really need to think about the power of nature, harnessing the power of nature into your body. There is an herb on this planet that is going to help you speed up your detoxification process. So what I do is I make daily tonics and herbs, and I drink fresh juices every single day. I really like to add you know, lemon juice actually into my teas and herbs. You know, again, this is like a daily routine. Think about how you can incorporate these healthy habits into your life every single day. And that way this becomes, you know, like something you enjoy. The mind, you know, creates habits, and we need to incorporate a lot of healthy habits into our life. So just like anything, when you started drinking coffee years ago, you know, this takes a while for, you know, your body to enjoy the taste of coffee. So just like this, when you're getting new into detox and you're getting serious about your health, you need to take these protocols seriously and incorporate them into your everyday life. Now, I have this lemon water here in the morning, and I usually do a big, you know, glass of just a tonic that I make the day before with herbs that I need to incorporate into my specific detox protocol. So different herbs are gonna help you on your journey, and they might not necessarily be the same herbs that I'm taking right now. So, you know, in this glass I have a lot of eucalyptus, alfalfa, nettle, elderberries. You know, I do, portiaco bark is in here too. I do a daily tonic, okay? So incorporate the herbs into your life. All right. So the fruits need to be seasonal, organic, local fruits. I cannot stress this enough, okay? I see a lot of people ordering fruit from all over the world, and that's fine, there's no judgment. It's just, this is gonna be the best fruit for your body because it's grown in your area and it's fresh, it's alive, it has prana, living energy into it, okay? I have a Tangelo here, a couple different varieties of citrus. This is a navel orange. Love my citrus press right here that I juice, you know, oranges every single day. That's like my favorite thing in the winter time, is to have fresh citrus. And look, they got these little kumquats here. I mean, there is so much like available to us, you know, for this healing journey. You don't have to think of this like the chemical approach. This is not about synthetic chemicals. This is about nature. This is about alkaline fruits and vegetables that are gonna help you on your detox pathway. So really think about the fruits, okay? Incorporate fruits, live fruits, living food into your body every single day. And the next thing I want to talk about is just protocols for really speeding up the lymph system, really getting that mucus out of your body. The lymph system is the basic thing that everyone needs to understand in order to detox properly. We have this sewage, that is our sewage system of the body. We have 50 billion cells, right? And all of those cells are incorporating food, they're taking in energy, and they excrete waste. Now that lymphatic system is the waste. That is the waste that we need to get out of our body through those 4 pathways that we mentioned earlier. Our breath, our skin, our urine, and the stool, okay? Now the Neti Pot is amazing for helping you get, that mucus out of the brain, out of the lungs, help, clear out some of that lymph, that stagnant lymph that's in the neck, the lungs, all in the armpit area. Daily massage is gonna help you really speed up the lymphatic system. And then using liquids. Make sure you use a really conscious source of water here too when you put your Neti Pot liquid in here, and you use your Neti Pot to speed up all that cleansing in the brain and in the nasal cavities, all right? Now to take this the next step further, you really need to think about the other end, right? Your colon is the #1 way that people can excrete waste in a very fast, manner. So let's think about this right here. I know it's not a, pretty topic, but it's something you really need to incorporate. If enemas are gonna help you detox. I mean, I do this every single day if you're really, backed up and you have that toxic load and you're on the standard American diet. They're 100% safe, effective, as long as you're using a natural water source to really speed up the cleansing of the colon and the entire GI tract, okay? So, I have videos, I would link everything in the description below. You can watch a video of me doing an enema just like this. I'm gonna show you guys how to do all of these detox pathways. I'm gonna show you the protocols for the juicing and the enemas. We need to get the detox pathways open, okay? That's the thing, is a lot of people are living this life in a stagnant form. They're only living, I'd say, 5% of their potential because they're just backed up. I mean, there's no other way to explain it. So we really got to get that waste out of the body with the astringent fruits. Start incorporating, a Neti Pot. If you're feeling the congestion in the lungs, you can do this every single day until you start getting that meditation practice and you feel good and you're consciously putting these toxins outside of your body through your daily practice. That's the thing, is this is a lifestyle. This isn't something you can do once. It's not like you do one Neti Pot or you have one enema and then you're good. Like, oh, I'm good for the rest of my life. No. These are protocols that you need to learn, all right? Because it's something that you're gonna incorporate for the rest of your life. I'm, been on this path for over 10 years and, I get congested. I got a little phlegm going on in my body. I'm in the big city. I'm taking in all kinds of environmental toxins and stress and energy, and that's why this is a daily practice. I go to the fruits. I just had a Neti Pot this morning. I usually do an enema like once a week, at least for me, for my toxic load, to really speed up that, detox method for getting waste out of the colon. Now, again, we all have these detox pathways. It's a question of like, how fast are they? How efficient is your body at removing that waste? That's really the easiest way to explain why you're not feeling good right now. So, take action. It's really time to start incorporating these protocols into your everyday life. I know there's so many things out there, there's a lot of misinformation, but you just gotta trust nature. Trust the power of the herbs, trust the power of the fruit. This is something that you really gotta, you can't do alone. You gotta really think about the forces. The universe always has your back, and it's something that once you start incorporating these into like a daily healthy routine, you won't think about, detoxification. You won't ever have that brain fog or that, poor energy, because you know what to do about it. You know how to heal yourself. You know how to take action on which protocol you need to do in order to speed up that organ system, right? If your lymphatic system's a little, low and you need to speed it up, then maybe you need some movement in your life. Maybe you need just to hit the rebounder, ride on a bike for a while, okay? Do some daily exercise. If you're really stagnant and you got a real high toxic load, you really need to incorporate the fruits, the herbs, the juices. Start thinking about a daily practice, meditation or Tai Chi, that can speed up the breath work and the detoxing through the lungs. All of these things are gonna help you on your journey to Wellville, and I know you guys are here for the long run. This is it's gonna take some time. If you have a toxic load, depending on your iridology photos, it could take some time, even years, before you start feeling good. And I promise, the only way out is through. You gotta stick with this and you gotta get going with your detox journey. Otherwise, those toxins are gonna stay there and they're not gonna be filtered out. You're just gonna pass them on to the next, person in your life. It's gonna go to the next generation, and your kids' kids are gonna feel that toxicity from, all the things that you're putting in your body now. So take action, take full responsibility for your life, and I promise you're gonna feel good. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.